All right, this video, I would like to just discuss artificial intelligence, okay? I really love using this new technology, especially with the company Nowsite, okay? This company I ran into about, I don't know, probably about 4 months ago. And after fiddling around with it a little bit, what I've decided is I like to use it mostly just for leads with LiveGood and mostly just email, okay? I do get people's Facebook profile information that I can click, check out, make sure that they are a real person, a human being. And I like to see if they're active, posting fun, positive things. And I really like it if they're recruiting or promoting a current MLM. All right, something that might have similar products to our company, which have mostly health and wellness vitamins. If you go to livegood.com, check it out. We got about 25 really nice products. And I love it because we're a wholesale company, okay? You don't have to buy the product for retail and then pretend to resell it. You don't have to buy any product with our company. You just buy the products because you like them. And if you want them for a cheaper, for wholesale versus retail, it's only $9.95. And if you want to go ahead and be an affiliate like myself, where you just promote the opportunity, earn some extra money, recruiting, getting some cool members, or maybe you're just buying some badass products. We have 6 ways to earn money at this company, all nicely priced, everything organic. And I mean, as far as the flow of just getting to know somebody, maybe on Facebook, you could just post, hey, here's a company. This is what I've done. This is where I'm going. These are the products. This is how I feel. Put some thoughts, put some storytelling, elbow grease into your posts. I tell everybody, you're still going to be more successful, in my opinion, if you talk a little bit about yourself, your experiences, maybe your aches, your pains, stuff that you're just really, you want to lose weight. You want to get your high blood pressure, within reason. Maybe you want to buy a car, or you just want to work at home. There's so many cool things to talk about. And I know it's easy to say right here, just on like a 10-minute video, let's say, but you guys can do it. There's a lot of ideas out there already. If you just search and see what other people are doing to maybe recruit or just talk about making money at home, or get a hold of me. Boy, I can definitely come up with about 1,000 things to talk about that can lead to LiveGood, okay? I go to GoDaddy and I like to buy a domain name. Joincory.com, please watch video.com, get2help2.com. Don't watch video.com. I think I have 91 domain names, and guess what? Every year I have to pay about $12 to re-register them. It's kind of like a license plate on a car. So it's always fun when you own a bunch and then you go, oh, they're expiring? Ooh, am I using half of them? Maybe I need to get rid of half. But anyway, I love domain name searching. I go to GoDaddy and come up with some funny smart-ass phrase. I go, how about feelbadass.com? It was available, so I bought it. Then I put, how about feeling badass? Like feelingbadass.com. It was open. Then I thought, how about healthfoodfreak.com? And it was open. So I bought it. And now I own all these websites. I'm like, oh my God, I got to pay for these things every year. So I definitely want to use them. Okay. And this is how. When I go to artificial intelligence with Nowsite, I go ahead and type in, write me a 100-word blog about LiveGood. Write me a 200-word blog. Write me just something. And then what I do is I take that blog and I upload it in all these sections where you can blog for free. That just free press release. Just why not? It's basically free. If you're going to pay for Nowsite, and if you have electricity, a home computer, a cell phone, I think we all do, why not use it? You can have this company write you hundreds a day if you want. Do you want to see? Let me just show you real quick, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to shrink my screen, man. Let's just shrink it. Can you guys see? Hopefully, this pretty girl here pointing at me. Okay, this is the homepage to Nowsite. Do you see where the very top it just says, what do you want to do next? Chat with your AI. I'm just going to put, hey there, and then hit enter. Oh, let me get my face out of the way here. Okay, let's just start from scratch. See where it says, hey there? Okay, right at the bottom, I'm going to put, write a 100-word blog about LiveGood. Okay, see where it's spinning there in the little, what is that, a purple square? Okay. Let it think for a minute, 5 seconds. See all these? These are individual. These are all about 100 words. Are you ready to take health and wellness to the next level? Build muscle with their delicious vanilla protein and manage stress with their high-quality CBD. See, these are all just like things you can copy and paste and just put in a blog and then send the dang thing. They even have it where you can automatically do it with their brand new Now AI that just came out. But look at all this. Imagine achieving your dreams, buying your dream house in Sandy. I put this in like I love Pepperwood. It's my favorite neighborhood. Owning a collection of incredible vehicles like a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner or a Suzuki Hayabusa. I mean, or do you want to reach the crown diamond in LiveGood? These are aspirations within your reach. All right, these are just fun things. My AI, I talk to it all the time. What's your favorite car? What's your favorite color? Who's your favorite actress? I mean, isn't this crazy? If you're ready to make positive changes in your life, LiveGood is here, and it's just funny. But you can also put, like, who was the president of the USA? How about 1970? Because I can't even remember. You can ask this thing anything. In 1970, the pres was Richard Nixon. He was the 37th president. All right, and he was not a crook, and he actually got his butt thrown out. And he kind of resigned at the same time because of Watergate and a bunch of bull crap he got caught in. But also, how about, how about the horsepower of a 1970 Chevelle, let's see, SS 454. All right, I just hit enter. All right, in 70, it was equipped with a powerful 454 7.4 liter, 360 to 450. That's true, because I've had 3 of these cars. And isn't it fun? You can just talk to your AI. How do you get leads in LiveGood? Well, why don't we ask? Okay, you're out of ideas? Okay. How do I get people to sign up? Did I write sign up? Sign up in LiveGood. Enter. Okay, as long as that box, see that square? As long as the circle is spinning, that means it's thinking. All right, here's a bunch of ways. If you're out of ideas, share personal success stories. And I agree with that. I totally agree. Leverage social media, of course, Facebook, Instagram, talk about your stories. All right, do community events. Hey, if you're going to events, make some business cards. Incentives. Okay, a discount, maybe a prize. Do you have something to give away? That's always a good idea. I call them prize pigs. In my radio career, everyone was like, caller number 10. Did I win? Did I win? Give me tickets. Give me CDs. Give me music. Give me pizza. But yeah, you can talk to your AI and it'll help you come up with ideas. But I love it because it'll write you, how about if you need some emails written? You don't know how to email anybody. And you're like, God, how can I email? I don't know what to write. Okay, well, AI. Let's go back to Nowsite and let's just put write 100-word, how about email to people wanting to join LiveGood. Let's just see. I probably should have worded it differently. Like, what should I write to get people to join LiveGood? But anyway, here's just a bunch of, hey, Bob, are you ready to unlock your full potential and transform your health and wellness? All right, by joining LiveGood, you'll get access to high-quality health and fitness products. We offer stress and pain management solutions through premium CBD oil. That's true. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Don't wait any longer. Just click here, become a part of the LiveGood family, which I love. I love the word LiveGood family. We can't wait to welcome you aboard and support every step of the way to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. To your success, Cory. Click joincory.com. Come aboard. This thing will write out 100, 200, 500. If you want it to write 100 blogs that are 200 words, and if you want it to automate and blast it out at free press releases all over the internet, because people forget about blogging. They're like, well, no one blogs anymore. I don't. I've never blogged ever. But I'll tell you what, why not take this to the next level, automate your AI, and come up with hundreds of blogs If you're out of ideas, don't worry about it. The AI has a million. All you do is ask it, hey AI, and it'll go, what? Go, what's the best pizza? It'll tell you. You can even ask it. How about, yeah, you know the Kentucky Fried Chicken here in America? If you guys are out of the country, one of our most popular places is Kentucky Fried Chicken. And they have this batter that they put and dip it. And it's awesome. It's spicy. It's great. It's salty. It's crazy. It's a heart attack. And everyone wants to know, what's the ingredients? So let's just go see if we can find it. Okay. Okay. What are the let's see, isn't it ingredients to KFC skin batter? I don't know what to call it. Let's just see if it recognizes KFC as Kentucky Fried Chicken. The exact recipe for KFC skin batter, known as the 11 herbs and spices, is a closely guarded secret, which is true. It's never disclosed the specific ingredients. However, some believe that it has salt, black pepper, flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and various herbs and spices. That is just speculation, okay? And it's probably right. I mean, there's 11, and it's probably close, but they've never discussed it. They don't want to ruin the fun. It's like, is there a Santa or not? Yeah, you don't want to ruin that for your kids. And right now they're going to guard it as closely as possible. And if someone did release it, I'm sure they'd probably be sued somehow. But the AI's fun. You guys, if you get this Nowsite, I'm just messing with it. I mess with this thing all day, and I got to quit it because I need to get leads. I need for it to auto post on my social media and all my blogs because I want people to sign up. But it's like a cell phone. Hey AI, who is the hottest girl in Hollywood? Here, watch. It's just who is the sexiest actress in Hollywood? How about 1980? And who knows? I don't know if it has an opinion. The concept of sexiness is subjective from person to person. However, in the 80s, several actresses were popular. Okay, here we go. Oh, Bo Derek. God, big time. Remember the movie 10? That was around, 1979, 1980? Jamie Lee Curtis, yeah, and Halloween. Demi Moore. Oh, Raquel Welch, hell yeah. Kathleen Turner, Romance in the Stone. But this is all, you can come up with like, okay, if you're doing a list on YouTube, who is the top this? Who's the best that? Okay, with LiveGood, just ask it everything about LiveGood and how to write about it, how to post about it. What is compelling? What is sexy? What is funny? Everyone's like, Cory, you keep saying storytell or be compelling, be sex. How do you be sexy without being blunt and crazy? How do you be erotic? How do you be mysterious? Hey AI, write me a mysterious 200-word email about LiveGood with a little bit of humor. And it'll do it. And if you take like 4 or 5 examples of it, cut and paste to use it, and then maybe reword 10 words or 20, or maybe delete a sentence. But isn't that awesome to know that you can do that? I could be here for hours being a smartass and just do a radio show. Go on FM radio and just ask AI everything, have a contest, a quiz show. This thing is very smart, believe me. It's got billions and billions and billions and trillions of brain cells, and it's all up to date to 2023. And you can imagine what this thing probably knows that we shouldn't. But don't ever say you're going to run out of ideas of what to blog about or what to talk about or what to email or how to recruit or should I post this way? Well, ask AI, what is the best way to get people interested enough to open your email? And it'll probably give you, and then put 30 suggestions. How about 50? Say, give me 50. Okay. But you don't have to ask a guy like me or support or go to YouTube, although you can, or maybe to Google and get some ideas. But if you've got your AI, ask the damn thing. You're paying for it. Put it to work. So get leads. Hey, AI, give me 1,000 ideas on how I can be funny about LiveGood. And that thing, it will rewrite and it'll come up with little twists, turns, everything else. You can put, I want a little bit of risque humor. I want rated PG humor, rated G humor. How can I be humorous to entertain a 10-year-old at a birthday party? But I could go on and on. Talk to it like it's a dying human. It's actually funner than a human. It doesn't backtalk. It just talks to you back and forth. It's kind of creepy and it's weird, but all of a sudden, an hour will go by and you're like, God, I'm talking to a computer like it's real. You think there's someone behind the computer. Really, okay, Cory. Like what was it, the Wizard of Oz? Remember, there was like a little guy in the back or something. I can't remember, but I always equate this AI similar to that storyline, and with Arnold Schwarzenegger from Terminator, because he was AI, artificial intelligence kind of, and he was from Skynet, and they were coming to take over the world. So I just picture Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's cool. He's sitting next to me as a Terminator, and he's like, "What can I do now? What can I do for you now, Cory?" And I just say, "Man, get me this, do that." And if you start making turkey club sandwiches with chocolate milk, I'm gonna freak the F out. So this is I'm giving you one of a million ideas on how you can play with this Nowsite. I can get it to you for $49. Click the link below this video. Put in code number 49 where it says unlimited. It's got to be unlimited. So click the link. It's going to go to a page, and at the very top, you're going to have a button that says annual or monthly. If you want it monthly, put in code 49. If you want to save $1,000, just put it on annual and put in code 490. And you decide. Then when you go to pay, it's got to say unlimited though. Unlimited monthly or unlimited annual. And then put those codes in and click apply, then pay. Next month you want it, it's the same price. They will do it up to 12 months. But coming up in about 3-4 days, September 1st, Justin, the CEO, a couple days ago said, the $49 a month thing is going away. It's going back up to $128. So 60, 70, 80. You're saving $80, $90. I pay the $128. I'm not bullshitting you. I can't rejoin. This $49 or to save $1,000 on annual is only for new. Okay? This unlimited with all the features, bells and whistles, and it's got the new Now AI, it's called, where you can go to social media and it will post, it'll answer people. It's creepy. While you're sleeping, this thing will take over like Skynet. It's like, Arnold, quit it. Quit answering all my friends on Facebook. It's so cool. It's creepy and it's cool. I got to admit, it's getting out of hand. So, okay, guys, if you haven't joined LiveGood yet, please go to joincory.com. And if you want this Nowsite, just click below, save yourself a ton of money. And let's just over the next week or two, find out just what's the best way to use artificial intelligence mixed with this awesome opportunity. And we're going to rock it. I'll tell you what, if you're into LiveGood now and with this AI, in a couple months, we're going to dominate, man. We're going to just tear some ass. And that sounds pretty weird. How about we're going to kick some ass? That's what I meant. Did I say tear? Why would you want to tear an ass? That kind of sounds painful. Let's kick ass instead. Deal? All right, guys. Peace and love. You guys take care. Wait, that's peace and love. I was doing like, hey, dude, Ronnie James deal. Peace and love. All right, you guys take care. I'm going to upload this video, make a couple more. I'm just full of ideas tonight. See you soon, guys. Bye.